Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I'm bringing you a video on this 2024 Porsche 911 Turbo S Cabriolet convertible. Beautiful car, brand new. It has about 45 kilometers on the odometer, and it came to us today to have a dash camera installed. Now, it's a pretty specialized dash camera. It's the Blackvue DR750 2-channel LTE. This is basically the dash camera that has the modem built into it so that he being the owner of the vehicle, can remotely view the footage that's coming from this dash camera. Now, you're going to notice a couple of other things. This is the rear camera, which would normally go in the rear window, but because this is a convertible, it won't go there because the glass window goes down. So we put it basically on the front windshield facing the interior of the car. Here's an interior shot. And then I also want to show you the Blackvue B130X dash camera battery that we put here. This is at the client's request because he wants to be able to remove it to be able to charge it. But there's a specific reason why we put a dash camera battery in this vehicle. Two reasons, actually. The first reason is the DR750 LTE is a remote viewable camera. So it's got a modem. So it is quite power hungry. And one of the purposes of having a modem is so that you can view the footage when the vehicle is off. Doing that is quite a battery drain or quite an energy consuming task. And the battery on a brand new Porsche 911 is a very specialized battery. It's a lithium battery and it's very expensive to replace. So if you continuously drain it or cause it to die, you could be basically in line for quite a large vehicle repair bill. So that's why we definitely recommend on this vehicle that the customer uses a dash camera battery, and they have done so. But specifically when you're using the LTE dash cameras, the ones that have modems that you can remotely view, a dash camera battery is 100% recommended because it will cause power drain issues. So there's the camera and how it's mounted. You can see how the cables have been routed. This is the beautiful interior. It's got the Heritage Edition interior, which is pretty cool. Let me just get out and I'll show it to you from the front of the vehicle. So here we are. You can see it's mounted on the front windshield, facing outwards. And here's another shot of the vehicle in general. Beautiful car, brand new, 2024. We really love it and are very, very lucky to have been given the chance to install this product in the vehicle. If you or someone you know is interested in adding a dash camera to your Porsche or to any vehicle, feel free to give us a call, 1-866-824-4118, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca, www.lockdownsecurity.ca is our website. Hit the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button. It helps us to make more videos like this in the future. Hope you enjoyed watching this brand new Porsche and the dash camera that we installed, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.